In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over an OBD2 lock. You heard me right. This is for anyone that maybe wants to leave their car parked somewhere or just wants to kind of like lock out where someone could go inside their OBD2 port and then maybe do some altercations or something like that. And this is from the company bbfly Pro. Professional Solutions. Let me just show you what you get with this thing. So look at this cool little case. Very nice little box that it comes in. This would stay in like your glove box or something like that. Okay, let me show you real quick how this thing works. So you got the item like this. This is locked. To unlock it, you put that in there like that. You mash down on this push. You see right there where it says push. Kind of like turn. It's a little forceful to get it to turn, but it does turn on you. It took me a minute to kind of wiggle it right there, and you see how that popped loose, and then it opens up, and then it's unlocked, and it's pushed itself out. And then, like I said, to lock it back, you'll pretty much put it like that, and then you have to kind of wiggle it a little bit, but the key will come out. It's not the easiest thing to get in and out, but put a little extra twist and it does come out. Let me put it on my OBD2 sensor on my van and let's see what this thing looks like in use. Okay, everybody, you see my sensor right here. So right now this is locked, so we're gonna unlock it. You see how it's unlocked, and then it just slides on like that. And then I should be able to get right there. See, now I got the key out. Check it out. You cannot access my sensor right there. So I put a lock on my OBD2 sensor, which would keep someone from either kind of hooking up to it and trying to change the code or anything like that. If you got the right type of equipment, you could do that. And then I'll show you taking it off. Let's move it down. So to take this thing off, you're just going to turn it. You need it got an on and off there. So as I'm turning, I'm mashing this right here. And check that out. See how it came right off? That worked really, surprisingly, that works better than I thought. Like I said, it might not be something that everyone needs on their vehicle, but if you're like me and you just want to have a vehicle sitting for a while and you don't want anybody messing with that code in there, this would be the thing for you. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got from the, the bbfly OBD2 sensor lock. See y'all in the next video.